Greetings, students. So, in today's social science e-learning class, we will study lesson number 1 of civics, and that is diversity. Now, what is meant by diversity? Students, if I say in simple word, diversity means variety. It means bhinnata. You must have heard about this word variety before. For example, you have variety in food, in clothes, and so on. Similarly, students, in human beings also we have variety. No human beings are alike. They are different from each other. They are never same. Now, let's understand this with an example. Everyone prays to God. Some people go to the temple, some go to the church, and some go to the mosque. But everyone is praying that one supreme power, and that is God. But they are praying in a different way, in a different manner. So, this state of being different is called as diversity. Now, praying is being done in different ways. So, this is what diversity means. Now, why is diversity important in our lives? Students, diversity is important because it enriches our life. It motivates us to learn about one another's culture and tradition. It helps in tapping the resources of each individual. If everything is going to be same or alike, life would have been very boring. So due to these reasons, diversity is an important part of our life. Next, we will study about cultural diversity. Students in India, as you all know, there are variety of cultures and traditions. Each region of India has distinct culture, a way of life in terms of food, clothing, language, social tradition, etc. This means that people living in different regions of India have their own official language, they have their own traditional attire, they have their own food habits, and so on. For example, we can say people of Haryana will speak Haryanvi, and the people who are living in Kerala, their official language is Malayalam. So, this is known as cultural diversity. Next is diversity in India. As I said, India has variety of cultures and tradition. Therefore, India is a diverse country. People in India follow different religions like Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christianity, and so on. They have separate worshipping places. Their sacred books are different. They speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, wear different clothes. They have different food habits. They eat variety of food and so on. So this is what diversity in India means, which is one of the most beautiful feature of India and which makes India different from other countries of the world. Next, dear students, we will study about the culture of one of the unique place of India, and that is the state of Kerala. Now, Kerala is also known as God's own country. This state is in the southern western part of India, and it was created on 1st November 1956 with the passing of States Reorganization Act. This state is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other side. And its official language is Malayalam. So the people of Kerala speak Malayalam. This place is famous for spices like black pepper, cloves, and cardamom. Kerala's fertile land and climate are best suited for the cultivation of rice, and it is the staple food of Kerala. So, rice is the staple food of Kerala and it is eaten with fish and vegetable. Lastly, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the two Indian classical dance tradition of Kerala. The traditional wear of the state is called as mundu, which is worn on the lower portion of the body. It is white in color and is worn by both men and women. It resembles like a long skirt or a dhoti. Lastly, we will study what is meant by unity in diversity. What is the meaning of this phrase, unity in diversity? Unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. In simple words, anekta mein ekta. And India is the best country proving this concept of unity in diversity for many years. As you can see, people of different religions, cultures, races, and traditions live together in peace and harmony. So, dear students, this is all about diversity. I hope you must have understood the concept of diversity. For better understanding, read this lesson thoroughly. Thank you and happy learning.